Hello everyone, welcome back to General Knowledge class. Today we are going to study Unit 16 Natural Wonders. Let's see what we are having today in the Natural Wonder. Grand Canyon, so beautiful scene and sight. This is situated in Arizona in United States of America. It was formed over 6 million years by the course of the Colorado River. Colorado is actually a name of a river, and it's a natural beauty which is being, you can see here, scenic beauty is there. Now, Grand Canyon actually, which is so beautiful over here, what does the mean by canyon? It means a simple gorge, typically one with a river flowing through it. Next is Ayers Rock. Uluru, the second largest monolith. That means Ayers Rock is also known as Uluru. It is the second largest monolith on Earth that lies in the Simpson Desert in Australia. In Australia, this lies, and it is supposed to be very, very beautiful. And monolith here actually means one complete rock. In that rock, we are having the shapes to be coming up naturally by its own self. It was declared a World Heritage Site in 1987 by UNESCO. Next comes Northern Lights. This one of the beautiful Northern Lights is actually naturally being done. We don't have any light show to be going on here. What you see in the parks and different other places related towards the natural this light to artificial lights, full sound, music, all these going on. This is one of the beauty which is naturally being done in the polar areas. Polar areas means North Pole and South Pole, and this is seen both regions of the planet. It is having scientific reasons behind this, and when you go to have the sight of this, it's although very rare to see so, but still it is visible in the polar areas. In the north side, that is known as the Northern Lights, and it is also known as Aroma. And in the southern side, it is known as Southern Lights. The charged cosmic particles interact with Earth's atmosphere, which causes vivid colors to be painted across the night sky. So, the charged cosmic particles means the lights, the cosmic particles which are prevailing in the outer part of our earth, that means crust mantle core we are having. So on the crust part, when the outer rays, sun's rays, are coming and interacting towards Earth's atmosphere, at that time we find vivid colors. Vivid here means different beautiful colors with the interaction of the particles with the air particles which is prevailing in the Earth's atmosphere. And that's how we can see different colors across the night sky. And children, you can see here the green color, pink color, violet color. So mostly green color is there. And that too, you will be amazed to come to know that it is because of the reason of oxygen. When it interacts, when it reacts with the cosmic rays, it with the happening of that means we are having oxygen in the air, and so with that interaction we are having green color mostly to be find out. Next is Iguazu Falls. These are found on the border of Argentina and Brazil. Like different waterfalls, we are having every part of the world. In India, from north to south, we are having so beautiful scenes and sights of the natural falls. In the same way, in your city, Jabalpur, also we are having the Bheraghat Fall. In the same way, here we are having the Iguazu River, and this is how it is known as Iguazu Falls. These are found on the border of Argentina and Brazil. Next is Great Barrier Reef. This is the world's largest coral reef system. It is made up of nearly 3,000 individual reefs and almost 1,000 islands over a span of 1,400 miles. It is home to large diversity of marine creatures. Marine, those animals, those who are living in the watery part, and it is supposed to be one of the beautiful. Everywhere you will find the blue color, just because of it resembles the sky also. Next topic is Amazon rainforest. This map is showing you where do we have the Amazon area. And rainforest, obviously, this complete blue line which is showing you, this is depicting the areas where we are having the Amazon rainforest in the African continent. The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest and provides critical services for mankind. So, this critical services for mankind here simply means because of the dense forest areas, and obviously everybody should know that it is the world's largest tropical rainforest. Tropical, why? Because it lies in the tropical areas, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Africa is one of the continent which is having the benefit, or you can say the good part, that it is having all the three rays, all the three lines crossing. That is Tropic of Cancer in the above, equator in the middle, and Tropic of Capricorn in the down portion. So due to this particular thing related towards Tropic of Cancer, it is known as the world's largest tropical rainforest, and it provides critical services for mankind. It is having, due to the dense forestness, it is having all herbal plants, trees available over here, and which is benefited for the humans, not only humans, but related to treatment of any of the disease. We can have the curement by getting the, or we can have the availability of the herbal things. The Amazon has an estimated 390 billion individual trees divided into 16,000 species. Species means what the trees are there, it is having different varieties. 390 billion, we cannot even imagine. Also 390 billion individual trees are available, and that too is having different species. Suppose one tree is there, and related to that tree it is having different more species, same but with a different characteristics. Next is Halong Bay. This bay lies in northeast Vietnam. It is famous for its emerald waters and thousands of towering limestone islands that are topped by the rainforest. Beautiful scene is here. We can see the site of it, and the ships are also there. Cargo ships are there, which are available for the tourists to have a sign, to have a scenic, see the scenic beauty of it moving from one place towards the another side. It makes a cross, and we can have the sight of it. So BAY, here bay means like here in India you are having Bay of Bengal. In the same way here this bay is available in Vietnam, and it is having the seaside area and the land area, and that's why it is known as the bay. It's one of the beautiful tourist attraction for Vietnam, and people come over here to have the sight of this beauty. It is having the emerald water. Emerald water means related towards, not related to the precious stone which is available here, but the color of the water which is prevailing here, for that it is known as emerald waters. Next, everybody can see Mount Everest. This is also one of the wonders of the world, the highest peak of the world, whose height is 8,848 meters in Nepal. And it is the world's highest peak, what we know. So, related towards highest range in the world, it is famous. It is also known as Sagarmat in Nepal, and we all know Mount Everest in Nepal, people generally call it as Sagarmat. The mountain has been named after Sir George Everest. That means Sir George Everest was one of the person who must have seen for the first time, and after seeing he made other people also to have a sight of it, of this mountain, to be the taller and taller and taller. So this is how, when it is being introduced by Sir George Everest to others, this mountain came to be known by his name, related to Mount Everest. And do you all know, in Tibet it is known as Kamalongma. What it is known as? Kamalongma in Tibet. Like we in the other different parts of the world we call Mount Everest, in Nepal it is known as Sagarmat, and in Tibet it is known as Langma. And here Apa Sherpa and Purba Tashi holds the highest record. That means these people have gone to Mount Everest. They ascended the Mount Everest, related to mountaineering, mostly recorded, highest recorded their name. So this is how this completes the topic of natural wonders. So thank you all, and we will again meet in the next topic. God bless you all.